Darren Hager, Chief Everything Officer at HeydayFootwear.com, and today we're going to take a quick look at the new red My Heyday Super Shift. Take it out of the box, and all Heyday shoes come in a red cloth shoe bag, so you can keep them clean or transport them to the gym or whatever in the shoe bag. Let's get this pair out. This, as you know, is the Super Shift. The Super Shift sits on our completely flat cup sole that is stitched on all the way around the shoe so that the sole will never delaminate from the upper, which is definitely a problem that you'll see on a lot of other shoes. Chuck Taylor's, for one, definitely come apart. These cannot. The upper is made of tough as nails red ballistic mesh and vegan-friendly microfiber leather. The upper has the midfoot strap that's adjustable, Velcro, so you can really lock your foot down. Has our signature wraparound tongue, which conforms to the shape of your lower leg. Really great, gives great cushioning during leg extensions and just provides an overall very unique look. You see our removable compression strap. If you want to tighten up around the ankle, this is a great way to do it. It stretches so it'll fit any size ankle, and you can adjust the different points on the shoe where you attach it to have different tightnesses. The really unique thing about this shoe, though, is the tongue, which is Velcro, and you get this bag of 67 Velcro letters and numbers, which are also reflective, so that you can spell whatever you want anytime and every time. We have Heyday on here. We've got our new TPU rubber logo, terry cloth lining, memory foam footbed. These will be the most comfortable, neck-breaking shoes you wear in or out of the gym every time. It's not hype, it's Heyday.